What's up, everybody? Will back, Will Shot Dayton, and I'm here with a 2004 Pontiac Grand Prix. And as you can see, we're going to change out the starter, another GM starter. So before I start, truthfully, I want to thank everybody, all my views. I'm almost up to 100,000 views. I really appreciate it. It's crazy. 100,000 people, watched, liked my videos, and used it, and it helped them. So I'm kind of appreciative to that. And I just want to say thank you to everybody. Hope y'all subscribe. We're almost there. Um, but, same old procedure. So let's get into it. To start off, you're going to need to disconnect the battery. I'm going to do the positive and the negative. Some people just want to do the negative. Some people want to do the positive. There's a big debate. Doesn't really matter. Just don't shock yourself in the process. So I believe this one is a 12, the negative terminal. Yep, it's a 12. Do not touch that wall or you will see get sparks. The wiring here is absolutely, I don't know. So that might be super seized on there. I just didn't do it enough. Try not to get electrocuted. Alright, good. There we go. Alright, so now should well, but it's not. So it's like almost completely welded on there. So let's disconnect the positive, which is a 13. This one doesn't seem as bad. And I'll highlight most of this in the video. I might make this like a voiceover video for the most part. It's gonna be up under the car, so I'm kind of highlight things and there we go. I'll say, come on now. Y'all both can't be seized on there. So there you go. Positive, disconnected. Get to where it won't touch anything. And good there. Could just do it like this. I don't really want to mess with that positive, so I'm going to pretty much leave that alone. So see, in this case, I'm just disconnecting the positive and leaving the negative. All right, so next step is jack the car up. I'm going to do that in a time lapse pretty much. And pretty much from here on out, it's going to be pretty much voiceover. I'll be up under the car. I'll point out the tools, exactly what you need, and highlight print. And I appreciate everybody. Hope y'all like the videos, watch, subscribe. I'll try to leave a link to more videos in my channel up top. Other than that, y'all have a blessed day. Peace. All right, back up under the car. I'm gonna just clip this real quick. Get this out my way. Get these lines out my way that are in my way because somebody zip tied them right here. Now we can move that back. Hopefully without getting anything in my eye. All right, now we're about to take off the two bolts that are 15 millimeters. All right, came back with a change of plan. I'm gonna use a 15 of swivel head on it, and an extension, a few extensions. Actually, I'm gonna just try to get it with the extensions first. See if I need the swivel head or not. But right there on that, basically on the corner. Here's 15. Yeah, there's 15. So let's just get up on there. There we go, just like that. And you can use them at 3/8. Got my long extending bar. So I'm gonna take these two bolts out, and I'm going to then I'm gonna release the connectors on the back. They're normally like 11 or something. Boom, easy. Still recording. All right. Well, let's see if I can get up here. You know what? I'm going handheld. So, I'm gonna take this one off. So 15. I'm gonna take this small baby one off here, which is an 8mm. Looks the same to me. Alright, got it on. Got the terminals back on. I was just trying to tighten them up. This is an 8mm. Looks good. Alright. I just seen it. Had it. Come on, man. Literally, I just looked at it. It ain't on there. Where'd it go? That's not it. It's fucking there, man. Come on, man. You don't need to lose shit. Come on, bro. I literally just grabbed it. Okay, look in the grass for a moment. And up under my drill. And up on, bro, I just fucking had it, bro. I swear. But this is, there it is. Damn. I'm over like, bro, no, I just fucking had it. Straighten up that. Yes. That's a 14. $14. Down there. Alright, well, let's get you back in the mouth. Alright, we're done. 15 there. 15 there. A 8 and a 15 and a 14 on the back. And that's how you solve star Appreciate everybody. I should be able to put a video right here. So appreciate everybody. Y'all have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, chat, like, and share the videos. Peace. First, don't forget to put the positive back on. Positive turn on, which is here. Got that on. I believe this side was a 13. That's correct. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I appreciate everybody. Y'all have a blessed day. Don't forget to take it down off of jack stands and enjoy driving your car. See y'all all later. Peace.